Good morning, friends. Welcome to calendar time. I hope you had a good Monday and Tuesday. Let's see, we are going to make a number sentence today, and we are going to sort our friends who do not have the letter J, capital or lowercase, and who do have the letter J, capital or lowercase, here on our T chart. Remember, a T chart is called a T chart because it looks like a lowercase letter T in the middle. You can see where my arrow is going. All right, let's take a look and see who has the letter J in their name. Oh, I see Jemias has a capital letter J. His name begins with the letter J. J. Jeremy also begins with the letter J, a capital letter J in his name. And I think we only have one more friend with a letter J in her name, and that is Bretta J. She has a lowercase j in her name. Let's double check because sometimes Mrs. Giffen misses some people. All right, I think I got them all this time. Let's see if we can count how many friends do and do not have a letter J in their name. 1, 2, 3. Three friends do have the letter J. Will you make a will you make a number 3 in the air with me? 3. Awesome. Let's count how many friends do not have any letter J's in their first name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. How do I write a number 17? Teen numbers start with a number 1. That's right. And when I say 17, I hear the number 7 inside of that number. So I'm going to write a 1 and a 7 for 17. Let's say our number sentence together. 3 plus 17 equals 20. Awesome. Let's double check with our number line today. I'm going to start on 17 because 17 friends do not have any letter J's in their name. How many more will I need to get to 20? 17 plus how many more? How many jumps am I going to make with my ball to get to number 20? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. Just like in my number sentence, I have a number 3. So 17 plus 1, 2, 3 equals 20. Awesome. Let's take a look at our calendar. Oh my goodness, it is a special day today. It is May the 6th, and it is, you got it, Lily Mae's birthday. And we had Emiliano's birthday very recently. So that is very exciting. Happy birthday to Emiliano and happy birthday to Lily Mae today. Awesome, girl. I hope we get to see you on our Zoom meeting today and we can sing you happy birthday. All right, so today starts like the letter W. W sounds like w. Wednesday. That's right. Tomorrow is a day that starts with a digraph, TH. A digraph is two letters that go together and make a new sound. Thursday, you're right. And yesterday was Tuesday. You got it. All right. So, very exciting day and a very exciting month. We've got lots of birthdays. We've got Lily Mae, Jemias, we've got Emiliano, and we've got Kaylina's birthday, all in the month of May. Very exciting. All right. Let's say our shapes together: diamond, oval, square, rectangle, circle, and triangle. On Monday, we thought about some things that are the same about circle and oval. Can you tell me something that is the same about a rectangle and a square? What do you see? What do you notice that's the same about a square and a rectangle? Hmm. I'll give you a second to take a look. Think about the sides. Think about the corners. Think about what kind of lines they have. Tell someone at home something that's the same about these two shapes, square and rectangle. Maybe you said that they both have four pointy corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe you told someone that they both have four sides, or that they both have straight lines. If that's what you said, you are correct. Good job. All right, I noticed that on Monday, Mrs. Giffin's morning message said something silly. It said it was Friday, so I'm so sorry about that. I fixed it today. Let's read our morning message. Good morning, class. Today is Wednesday. I cannot wait for our butterflies to come out of their chrysalis. I am super excited for us to meet our butterflies. They're still growing and changing inside of the chrysalis. Today, let's find out how many sentences are in our morning message. And let's take notice that there is a special mark at the end of one of my sentences. Do you notice what it is? Let's circle the punctuation at the end of my sentences. We'll use a paintbrush today. I see that this sentence has a period at the end. Oh, there it goes. 1 second, friends. All right, this sentence has a period at the end. Let's check the next sentence or the next mark that you see at the end of a sentence. This sentence has a period. What kind of mark does this sentence have? Do you remember what it's called? It's kind of a big word. This is called an exclamation mark. Can you say that with me? Exclamation mark. Do you remember what it means when you see an exclamation mark at the end of a sentence? You're right. It means that it's something exciting. And I am so excited for us to see our butterflies come out of their chrysalis. All right, let's circle each whole sentence and we'll figure out how many sentences we have in this morning message. The first sentence is a group of words that says, Good morning, class. And I know I'm at the end of my sentence because I see a period. So this is the first sentence. The next sentence says, Today is Wednesday. And it's on two different lines. Today is Wednesday. And I know I'm at the end of that sentence because I see the period. The next sentence is pretty long. It goes on 3 different lines. It says, I cannot wait for. Is that the end of my sentence? Do you see any mark here? Nope, that tells me it goes all the way on to the next line. I cannot wait for our butterflies to come out of. Is that the end of my sentence? Do you see a mark here? I don't either, so that tells me I've got more words in my sentence. Their chrysalis. Do you see the mark to show me that my sentence is over? Me too, it's the exclamation mark. This is quite a long sentence. Can you help me count how many words are in that sentence? I cannot wait for our butterflies to come out of their chrysalis. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 words in that sentence. That is quite a long sentence. Wow. Alrighty. Awesome job, friends, today helping me figure out how many sentences we have in our morning message. And I'm glad you remembered about an exclamation mark. On Monday, we worked to measure this shark together. And we've been talking about measuring things by their length, measuring the length of things. And we decided that this shark was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares long. 7 squares long. So we measured from end to find out how long it is. We could measure lots of things by their length. But there's also other ways to measure things. So today I wanted to talk about measuring volume. Measuring volume. Volume is the amount that a container can hold. So I want you to look at all of these things, and I want you to think of what you could put into them. You might put water into a beaker or this pitcher. This looks like a trash can. What might you put into a trash can? Maybe pieces of paper or cans or empty bottles. This is a barrel. What could you put into a barrel? Also maybe water or some other kind of liquid. You could put many different things into a barrel. So I want you to look and think about how much water do you think this pitcher could hold? How much water could this is, I think, what you call an Erlenmeyer flask. How many cans or empty bottles could a trash can hold, a regular trash can? So again, volume is the amount that a container can hold. And containers that are different sizes can hold different amounts. So if you're going trick-or-treating and you have a bag to collect the candy that you are trick-or-treating for, would you rather have this bag or this bag? And why? Tell someone at home which bag you would rather take trick-or-treating. I bet most of you said you would rather take this bag trick-or-treating because this bag could hold more candy. I agree. Well, we're going to be doing some lessons on volume or how much different containers can hold. You're going to see Mrs. Giffen comparing and contrasting some different containers at her house this week, and you're going to be doing some experiments with volume as well. I have another question for you. If you are recycling tin cans, if you're recycling tin cans, that means you are sending them off to be crushed down and melted down and made into something else. Which container here for recycling could hold more cans? Which one could hold the most? This one or this one? You're right. The one that is the biggest can hold the most. So I would choose this one to hold the most cans for my recycling. Look around your house and see if you can find some containers to compare and contrast how much they can hold. All right, friends, I will talk to you soon, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'm looking forward to us doing some experiments with volume.